Imagine standing on top of a hill, surrounded by endless green mountains, cool, fresh air brushing against your face, and a breathtaking view stretching as far as your eyes can see. Sounds like a dream, right? Well, welcome to Lalsavunga Park, one of the most beautiful and underrated destinations in Aizawl, Mizoram. Most tourists visiting northeast India have heard about Shillong, Gangtok, or Tawang, but hidden among the rolling hills of Mizoram lies a place that deserves much more attention. Lalsavunga Park, located in Hlimen, just a short drive from Aizawl city. This stunning park is a perfect blend of nature, adventure, and relaxation. As soon as you enter the park, you'll notice the peaceful atmosphere. Unlike crowded tourist destinations, this place offers a calm escape from busy city life. The sound of birds, the gentle breeze, and the greenery all around instantly make you feel connected to nature. One of the biggest attractions here is the famous suspension bridges. Walking across these bridges is an experience in itself. As you step onto the bridge, you can feel it gently sway beneath your feet. On both sides, you'll see spectacular views of mountains and valleys. It's exciting, a little thrilling, and absolutely unforgettable for photography lovers. This is paradise. Every corner of the park offers a picture-perfect view. Whether you're taking selfies, landscape shots, drone footage, or family photos, you'll find countless spots that look straight out of a travel magazine. Now let's talk about the viewpoints. The park is built on elevated terrain, giving visitors panoramic views of MIZORAM'S beautiful hills. During the day, the mountains appear in different shades of green, creating a stunning natural canvas. But the real magic begins in the evening. As the sun slowly sets behind the hills, the sky transforms into shades of orange, pink, and gold. The sunset from Lalsavunga Park is one of the most mesmerizing sights you can witness in Aizawl. Many visitors come specifically to experience this magical moment. Apart from sightseeing, the park is also a great destination for families. There are open spaces for children to play, picnic areas for groups, and peaceful corners where you can simply sit and enjoy the beauty around you. If you're someone who loves quiet places, you'll appreciate the serenity of this park. Unlike many tourist attractions that can become noisy and overcrowded, Lalsavunga Park allows you to slow down and truly enjoy nature. Another reason why visitors love this destination is the cool climate. Even during warmer months, the hilltop location provides pleasant weather, making outdoor activities comfortable and enjoyable. And if you're lucky, you may even witness clouds drifting through the valleys below, creating a magical scene that feels almost unreal. So if you're planning a trip to Mizoram, make sure Lalsavunga Park is on your travel list. Whether you're an adventure seeker, nature lover, photographer, or simply someone looking for peace and beautiful scenery, this place has something special waiting for you. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this journey to Lalsavunga Park, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell for more amazing travel destinations from across India and beyond. See you in the next adventure.